Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are good. So last class we have been discussed the concept of partial fraction method and one of the important integral problem which is going to solve by using the partial fraction method. So today also I am going to discuss some of the important integral problems which are going to solve by using the partial fraction method. And one more thing, these questions are very important and these questions are asked in your previous year annual examination. So without wasting the time, let's start the first question. And the first question is evaluate I equal to integration of x divides x minus 1 into x minus 2 with respect to x. So this question is asked in March 2016. This question asked in March 2016. See here, to integrate this by using the partial fraction method, first we need to observe the integrand used in this integral problem. What is integrand here? X divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Obviously, this is one of the rational function. And observe here, so degree of the numerator is 1 and degree of denominator x into x is x square. Therefore, its degree is 2. So it means degree of Px is less than degree of Qx. Therefore, this is one of the proper rational function. So if the given integrand is one of the proper rational function, then only we are going to solve it by using the partial fraction method. Otherwise, we can't. If it is an improper, first we need to convert it into the proper rational format. So now observe here, this is one of the proper rational function and this proper rational function in its denominator, it consists two linear non-repeating factors. It means this rational function is of the form. This rational function is of the form px plus q divides x minus a into x minus b. So observe this. This is one of the proper rational function where its denominator consists two linear non-repeating factors. If a rational function is in this form, then it can be expressed as a divided by one of the factor x minus a plus b divided by other factor x minus b. So now by using this partial fraction format, by using this partial fraction format, the given integrand, that is what? The given integrand x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 can be expressed as a divided by one of the factor x minus 1 plus b divided by another factor x minus 2, and let's say this is equation k. Let's say this is what equation k. After expressing the given integrand in a partial fraction format, we need to identify the values of a and b. So to identify a and b, LHS as it is x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2, which is equals to, on RHS I can take LCM here, and LCM of x minus 1 and x minus 2 is x minus 1 into x minus 2, and then a is multiplied by the factor x minus 2 plus b multiplied by the factor x minus 1. Now observe here, denominator on both sides is same, therefore we can cancel on both sides. After cancelling, we have x is equals to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. So now by using this equation, we need to identify the values of a and b. So as I discussed in the previous video, to identify the value of A, we need to make the coefficient of B is 0, and to identify B, we need to make the coefficient of A is 0. So let's start. See here. Let consider the coefficient of B, x minus 1 equal to 0. It means the value of x equals to 1. Now by this x, above equation, left side x, therefore the value of x is 1, which is equals to a into x minus 2 means 1 minus 2 plus b into, as I considered the value of x minus 1 is 0, therefore b into 0. Now 1 is equals to a into 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus b into 0 is 0. So 1 is equals to a into minus 1 minus a, which implies the value of a is equals to minus 1. I hope all of you understanding. Now to identify the value of b, let us consider the coefficient of a is 0. That is what? Let x minus 2 equal to 0. It means the value of x equals to 2. Now by this x above equation, left side x, therefore 2 equal to a into, as I consider the value of x minus 2 is 0, so a into 0 plus b into x minus 1 means 2 minus 1. So now 2 equal to a into 0, 0 plus b into 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 2 equal to b into 1 is b. So finally we got the values of a and b. After finding the values of a and b, we need to use these two values in equation k. In which equation? In equation k. So therefore equation k implies here LHS as it is x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2, which is equals to a divided by x minus 1. Value of a is minus 1, therefore minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. Value of b is 2, therefore b divides x minus 2. I hope all of you understanding. After substituting the value of a and b, what next? Integrate on both sides. What next? Integrating on both sides. So it means left side integration of x divides x minus 1 into x minus 2 with respect to x is equals to minus of integration of dx divides x minus 1 plus 2 is constant taken outside, integration of dx divides x minus 2. I hope all of you understanding. Now observe the integral which is on left side. See here, observe the integral which is on left side. That is what? Integration of x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. Is it your I? Is it your I? Therefore this LHS can be replaced by I. So I is equals to minus of integration of dx by x minus 1 is log x minus 1 plus 2 into integration of dx by x minus 2 is log x minus 2 plus integral constant c. I hope all of you understanding. Now by using the property of log, see here, what next? We know one of the property of log, that is what? We know one of the property of log, that is what? If we have n log m, it can be expressed as log m power n. Therefore I is equals to minus log of x minus 1 as it is plus 2 log x minus 2. By using this property of log, 2 log x minus 2 can be expressed as log of x minus 2 whole square plus c. I hope all of you understanding. Again by using the next property of log, we know one more property of log, that is what? See here, we know one more property of log, that is what? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. If we have log m minus log n, if we have log m minus log n, it can be expressed as log m by n. Therefore by using this property of log, I is equals to, see here, log m minus log n can be expressed as log of x minus 2 whole square divides x minus 1 plus c. And this is what? Final answer for the given integral problem, that is what? Integration of x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. I hope all of you understood. Let us consider one more example. Evaluate I is equals to integration of 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to x. Now see here, and this question is asked in March 2023. This question asked in March 2023. See here, the integrand used in this integral problem is one of the proper rational function, and in its denominator there exist two linear non-repeating factors. Again, by using the same standard partial fraction format, that is what px plus q divides x minus a into x minus b. It can be expressed as a divided by one of the factor x minus a plus b divides another factor x minus b. Again, by using this property or standard format of the partial fraction format, the given integrand, that is what 1 divided by x plus 1, 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 can be expressed as a divided by one of the factor x plus 1 plus b divided by other factor x plus 2. Let's say this is equation k. Again, same thing, we need to identify the value of a and b. So for that, LHS as it is 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. On RHS, I can take LCM. So LCM of x plus 1 and x plus 2 is x plus 1 into x plus 2. A multiplied by the factor x plus 2 plus b multiplied by the factor x plus 1. I hope all of you understanding. So on both side of this equation, denominator is same, so we can cancel on both sides. Therefore, after cancelling, we have 1 is equals to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Again, by using this equation, we need to identify the value of a and b. So to identify the value of a, let's say, let the coefficient of b x plus 1 equal to 0, it means x is equals to minus 1. So by this x above equation, left side constant 1 as it is, a into x plus 2 means minus 1 plus 2 plus b into, as I considered the value of x plus 1 is 0, so b into 0. So 1 is equals to a into 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, we got the value of a, and a is equals to what? 1. Now, to identify the value of b, let's say coefficient of a is 0. So let x plus 2 is 0. It means x is equals to minus 2. Now by using this x, the above equation, 1 is equals to a into x plus 2 is 0, 0 plus b into x plus 1 means minus 2 plus 1. Therefore, 1 equal to a into 0, 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, 1 is equals to b into minus 1 is minus b, which implies b equal to what? Minus 1. So we got the values of a and b. Now use these two values, the values of a and b, in equation k. What is the equation k here? See here, left side as it is, that is what? Equation k implies 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equals to a by x plus 1, value of a is 1. So 1 divided by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2, value of b is minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 divided by x plus 2, x plus 2. I hope all of you understanding. After substituting the values of a and b, what next? integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides. Integration of dx divides x plus 1 into x plus 2, which is equals to integration of dx divides x plus 1 plus into minus minus integration of dx divides x plus 2. I hope all of you understanding. And observe here, this LHS is equal to I, therefore it can be replaced by I, which is equals to integration of dx by x plus 1 is log x plus 1 minus integration of dx by x plus 2 is log x plus 2 plus integral constant c. I hope all of you understanding. By using the property of log, which is I already discussed in the last previous question, log m minus log n, that is what log m by n, it means log x plus 1 divides x plus 2 plus integral constant c, and this is a required answer for the given integral problem, that is what integration of 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. I hope all of you understanding. And let us consider one more example, and this question is asked in March 2017 ಒಳಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. What is the next question? Evaluate I equal to integration of 2x divided by x square plus 3x plus 2. X square plus 3x plus 2 with respect to x. So this question is asked in March 2017. March 2017. Now observe here, this integrand is one of the rational function where degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is 2. Therefore, this is also one of the proper rational function. But in denominator there exists one of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x plus 2. Now this can be factorized as x square plus 3x can be expressed as 2x plus x plus 2. Now in first two terms we can take x as common, remains x plus 2. In next two terms we may take plus 1 as common, remaining x plus 2. So again, in between these two terms, x plus 1 is common, remains what? X plus 2. Therefore, by using this factorization, this given integrand, that is what I equals to integration of 2x divides x square plus 3x plus 2 can be expressed as x plus 1 into x plus 2. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to x. I hope all of you are understanding. Now observe the integrand. This integrand also consists two linear non-repeating factors in its denominator. Therefore, this is also one of the form px plus q divides x minus a into x minus b. This can be expressed as a divided by one of the factor plus b divided by other factor. Now, by using this factor, by using this format, this given integrand, that is what 2x divides x plus 1 into x plus 2 can be expressed as a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. And let's say this is what equation k. Let's say this is equation k. Again, LHS as it is 2x divides x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to, on RHS LCM is x plus 1 into x plus 2. So a multiplied by the factor x plus 2 plus b multiplied by the factor x plus 1. Again, denominator on both sides same, so we can cancel. So after cancelling we have 2x equals to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Now by using this equation, same thing, we need to identify the values of a and b. We need to identify the values of a and b. Again same procedure. To identify a, make the coefficient of b 0. That's what, let x plus 1 equal to 0, it means x equals to minus 1. See here, 2 into minus 1, LHS, 2 into x, value of x is minus 1, so 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, which is equals to a into the value of x is minus 1, so minus 1 plus 2 plus b into, as we consider the value of x plus 1 is 0. So minus 2 equals to a into 2 minus 1 is 1 plus b into 0 is 0. So therefore minus 2 equals to what? A into 1 a. So we got the value of a. I hope all of you understanding. Now we need to identify the value of b. So for b, let consider the coefficient of a is 0. What is the coefficient of a here? X plus 2. Let x plus 2 equals to 0. It means x equals to minus 2. So by this x, LHS, 2 into x means 2 into minus 2, minus 4, which is equals to a into x plus 2 is 0 plus b into x plus 1 means minus 2 plus 1. I hope all of you understanding. Now minus 4 is equals to b into minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, which implies minus 4 is equals to minus b. Cancelling minus on both sides. So we got b equal to 4. I hope all of you understanding. So now we got the values of a and b. What next? Again same thing, use these two values in equation k. Use these two values in equation k. Therefore equation k implies LHS as it is 2x divides x plus 1 into x plus 2, which is equals to value of a minus 2, minus 2 divided by x plus 1 plus b is 4, so 4 divided by x plus 2. I hope all of you understanding. What next? Same thing, integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So integration of 2x divides x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx equals to minus 2 into integration of dx divides x plus 1 plus 4 into integration of dx divides x plus 2. I hope all of you understanding. And this left side integral is equal to what? I. Therefore it can be replaced by I. I equals to minus 2 into integration of dx by x plus 1 is log x plus 1 plus 4 into integration of dx by x plus 2 is log x plus 2 plus integral constant c. I hope all of you understanding. Now by using the properties of log, I equals to minus of 2 log x plus 1 can be written as log x plus 1 whole square plus 4 log x plus 2 can be written as log x plus 2 power 4 plus integral constant c. Again by using the next property of log, I equal to log m minus log n can be expressed as log of m by n, x plus 2 power 4 divides x plus 1 power 2 plus integral constant c. I hope all of you understood. This is what final required answer for the given integral problem. That is what? Integration of 2x divides x square plus 3x plus 2. I hope all of you understood.